Hello Corkies! We are making a frozen watermelon mojito today. It's a perfect summer treat and it's best to do with family. So stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages, so make sure you hit subscribe and never miss a video. Today, we are making frozen watermelon mojitos, and I have my lovely sisters-in-law, Cara and Christy here, who have both been on this channel before, to help us make these wonderful summer treats. So, talk us through it. What are we doing, guys?
All right, we're very excited to be back on Cork and Java.
Yeah,
it's been so long.
It's been way too long, so we're excited to be here.
So we've got all the stuff that we need for our frozen watermelon mojitos.
Yeah, so first thing, we cut up about a 3-pound watermelon. We cut them into chunks, and then we put it in the freezer for about 3 hours.
Probably could have used more to get super, super icy, but it'll be nice and cold and refreshing as it is. Squeezed about 6 limes to get about half a cup of lime juice, and then fresh mint from my garden, and some sugar to help sweeten it up because lime juice can be very sour.
And what alcohol are we using, of course?
Oh, of course. Yes, we are using the nice traditional Bacardi's Superior White Rum today to help give it that little edge that we all like. And so now what we're going to do, we're going to utilize the mixer. We've got a nice Ninja over here, and we're going to start blending the watermelon, lime juice, and sugar together, right?
Right. Well,
All
first we're supposed to dissolve the sugar.
Oh yes,
into
you
the
dissolve
lime
it in
juice,
there.
Get it dissolved so it's not like chunky. I'm gonna go ahead and
No chunks.
just give that a nice good
De-chunk
mix.
it,
Yep.
Cara.
Get it all dissolved, nice and good. All right.
Perfect.
I'm
Okay.
gonna step aside here and let you.
Yeah.
We don't want the watermelon to travel too far.
Yep. We don't want to. Beautiful. Yep. Get that watermelon as close as you can to that blender. No.
Don't want to lose any precious
Don't want
watermelon.
anyone to go astray. All right. We washed our hands before the preparation of this video, so. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
I know. I'm very excited.
I'm looking forward to
very
this.
hot
It's very
day.
hot.
Perfect for this mid-July.
Yes.
Heat.
So this will be great for any kind of family barbecue. Nice on the beach.
Just chilling at home.
Chilling at home. There's really no bad time for anything like this. Do you think we'll have to do a couple batches based on the size?
Well,
of the...
once we blend it down, it'll get smaller.
It'll get smaller. We'll just add some more.
Perfect. You're doing great, Christy.
Let's say y'all just tell me when I should.
Great job.
Good team. Doing great. Okay. Maybe.
Okay.
All right. From
Let's,
here.
yeah.
And blend. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So you want to pulse it until it's thick but smooth.
Thick
Thick
but
but
smooth.
Yeah, so like a nice
That's the
drinking
texture we're going for.
consistency. Oh, we probably should put the lime juice in.
Oh,
Yep.
yes.
All right, we're gonna add the lime juice
Here we
and
go.
then pulse it until it's thick but
And
smooth.
Thick but smooth.
Okay, take 2. Oh. Okay, ready?
Yep.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. All right. Okay.
Got thick and
That was
smooth.
thick and smooth.
And now we can add, we're supposed to,
Add the rum.
yep, we're gonna
Okay.
add about a half a cup of rum
Yep.
and some more watermelon.
Okay,
About half a cup. Yep.
Okay.
All right.
just
Gotta
eyeball it.
measure
Whatever
the cup, we
feels
don't
right.
need it.
Whatever feels right.
It's right.
Man, that didn't feel quite right yet.
There you go.
So that felt
Perfect.
better. Felt better.
Alright, more watermelon.
More watermelon!
One more scoop before we blend again.
Sure.
All right. All right.
Alright, here we go again.
Blend number
Here
2.
we go again.
Here we go. Is it on still? I can't see the light.
Yeah.
Yep, there you go.
Think you're good?
Okay.
Alright.
All right, now we're gonna add some mint, and then we'll just pulse it a couple times because we don't want it to get completely dissolved. We want those nice flecks of mint leaves in there, and of course we'll save some for garnish.
Okay.
Perfect. Good to me.
Just keep it on and pour it.
All right.
Smart.
So now, the best part.
Oh, this is heavy, guys. Okay.
Got a lot of mojitos,
Got
big
a-
batch.
Got a birth.
I'm gonna leave you guys to garnish.
Ooh, that looks good. Yep.
Beautiful. Perfect.
Garnish. Oh, that was a lot of garnish.
It's okay, mint is delicious.
Mint is delicious.
Garnish with
Okay.
as much as you'd like.
Yep. All right.
All right.
Last but most important step.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
I can't drink this!
Why not, Cara?
You're not supposed to drink when you're pregnant.
Are you serious? Stop! No! You guys are terrible! That was literally perfect.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I thought you got mint in your teeth.
Cheers! That's delicious.
I am gonna take a little bit.
All right, what else are we supposed to say about it?
I'll take that.
I'll take that one.
Here, come get. Do you have cups?
Yeah, we actually
Yeah,
have
there's-
some. Like,
there's
we can,
fun.
well, we can obviously make some more too. Okay, well, congratulations to our sister-in-law, Cara. Way to go on baby number 2.
Yeah, this is so exciting.
Yes, and congrats on a great beverage. We're gonna
Yes.
share with my husband Johnny here.
It's a wonderful family affair. Make sure that you guys join our family community on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. We are looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time, bottoms up.